Yes. Free pigeon in the store. Oh, that's funny right there. That's too hilarious. How you gonna have a pigeon in a pigeon? Free pigeon in the store. In the store. Like wobbly wobbly dog, lick it peachy, lick it peachy. What you doing, buddy? Eat my food. Eat it by food. Very peachy. Eat it by food, peachy. Be very peachy, dirty peachy. Peachy food, peachy food. Oh yes, yes, I feel peachy. Free peachy. Let's see what peachy do it upstairs. Mr. Peachy, what you doing upstairs? Is it not the food? And do you like peachy, but it's still good for you? Oh, that's funny right there. Too much food. Oh, oh.